What's going on, losers? It's a little windy, but Beau just pulled up in something really cool.
My new hat. I just pulled up in my new hat. Check it out.
That's not
What's
it.
up?
That's not it.
Totally cool.
No.
No, I got a new like I made it official. I was kind of thinking about getting it, and then I was thinking about not, and then I was thinking about getting it. Anyways, long story short, I got it.
You make a bad decision?
I did not. I made a great decision.
Well, let's talk to Beau about what's going on with the new project, and then we'll show it to you guys. So, Beau.
How about that? For your Sobo.
What you doing? Oh, look, it's a
Look at how
picture
cute we
of
are.
us.
We're so cute. I gotta tag everybody's faces.
So Beau bought a cool project, and we're gonna run over why he bought it, what's he gonna use it for, future plans, all that kind of stuff. If you guys have any questions for him, drop them down in the comments below. It helps us out a lot if you guys just go ahead and subscribe. We're so close to 1,000. It's pretty ridiculous. And that's what we're shooting for. That was our goal, to get to 1,000 by the end of our first year. We're a couple months past our first year, so we didn't meet our goal, but maybe you guys can help us meet our new goal, which is hit 1,000 eventually. Right? Hit 1,000 eventually, our new goal.
Sorry, I'm doing something.
Yeah, I showed him. So, Beau, you bought this new project car thing.
Yes, I got a new project. Man, how do I not expose what it is?
Hold on. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that's Justin's like text message ringtone.
Smoochy boochies.
We don't know what it is, but anyway,
Yeah, it's freaking Jay and Silent Bob.
I don't know who that is.
Wow. So this new project, I got it as kind of a, you know what? I'm gonna be doing the same thing that I'm doing with the FC. It's gonna be real pretty. It's gonna be real low. I'm gonna drive it around on the street, but it's also gonna have like drift duty. It's gonna do drift duty. So
here's my question to you, and I've been thinking about this because you've been bugging me a little bit
okay.
about your cars.
Is that pointing at me? It looks like it's pointing at me.
Yeah, I was pointing at you. So you have three rear-wheel drive cars, right?
Not including the truck. I have.
Yeah, not counting the fun truck.
Okay, I have the RX-7. I have
RX-7.
the Volvo
And the new project.
and the new project. Yes.
Okay. This is too nice to drift, RX-7. You've already said that. Oh, I'm building it to drift. And you're like, oh, it's going to be so pretty. I'm going to have to wait at least 6 months before it sees the track, blah, blah, blah. The 240, you were like, oh, well, it was going to be Cannon's car, and now I'm keeping it. And so it's going to sort of be like this thing and that thing, the Swedish hot rod. It was originally supposed to be a drift car. Now it's not.
Right.
So RX-7 originally a drift car. Now it's not.
The RX-7's I'm gonna drift the RX-7.
No, you've said that you're not.
Dude, I'm gonna drift the RX-7.
He's not going to drift the RX-7.
I'm gonna drift the RX-7.
So you're not going to drift the 240, and now this new project,
I'm gonna drift the 240.
it's going to be low and pretty, so you're not going to drift that either. So when are you going to buy a shit missile? Like, why can't this be a shit missile?
I don't know.
Okay.
I like pretty, you know?
But you're not going to take it on track. Like
I'm gonna take them all on track.
once.
I don't know where you got all the other stuff. I'm gonna take them all on track. I will take them all on track.
One time. He's going to take
Maybe
them on
one
track.
time.
So, anyways, what's the reasoning behind getting this?
I like it. It has a little bit of sentimental value. It came from a friend of mine, and I had it, and I let another friend of mine drive it for a while, and he did some modifications to it. I went.
Because you guys bought it like together, right? Originally?
Yeah. And I went back to Alabama a couple years ago, and I brought this back to Arizona, and my ex-wife had it, and so I just bought it from her
Today.
today.
We went and got it today.
Yeah. She was kind of looking to get rid of it, but yeah, so she sold it to me cheap. So I'm stoked about that. I'm gonna look for some really cool wheels to put on it, and probably swap a V8 into it. So this weekend, on the 6th of July, we have a drift event at Musselman Honda, and I want to get the diff welded up before then. What?
Speak up a little bit.
Speak up?
Yeah.
Like this?
No, it's a little high.
So I'd like to get the diff welded up and put a sway bar on the rear, a big sway bar, and possibly drift it at the Musselman Honda circuit this weekend, Saturday the 6th. See how it does on its stock power. But eventually I plan to V8 swap it. Just because I know a guy who's getting rid of a 1UZ, and I might put that in there.
So...
Do I still need to yell?
No, I just said speak up, not yell. If you got to put a V8 in it, how much power does it have, and how much power do you want it to have?
It has in the low hundreds, easily the low hundreds. I would like for it to eventually have, 250 to 300 to the wheels. Just, reliable torque.
So similar idea to what I'm doing with this, power-wise, that kind of thing.
Yes. I want it to be light, and I want it to have a lot of torque, so it'll be easy to drift. The FC is probably going to be easy to drift, but I just, like you said, I'm probably not going to drift the FC as much as I think I will.
Yeah. I would have a hard time taking, the STI to a track.
Yeah. The FC is going to be a full interior car, and it's going to be, have a really nice paint job and vinyl and all that, and it would just destroy me if I destroyed it. But I will take it to the track at some point.
Yeah, but it's not going to be like that. Or like this. It's going to be more like a specialty event kind of car.
Yeah. I won't take it to rag it out every other weekend.
It's going to see more car shows than it does track days.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe that's,
We'll see a lot of street driving, hopefully, if it's reliable enough.
Yeah.
Now, this new project is going to see a lot of street driving as well. If I can get it swapped and reliable, it'll see a ton of street driving.
Probably daily driver duty.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Cool. Well, let's go see what it is. So this is it. I don't know if it helps any. You guys should be able to tell what it is.
Our die-hard fans should be able to tell what this is.
If you follow us on Instagram, you probably already know.
We've had some pictures on Instagram of this vehicle and me talking about possibly getting it over the past 6 months or something like that. So if you know, you know.
Yep.
If you don't know, you're about to know.
You're a loser.
Because we're going to stop and get out and walk around and stuff.
Here it is, guys. Beau's cleaning it up. It's pretty fresh. When he
fresh out of 1990.
When he first brought this back, I was gonna buy it from him, and I don't know what I ended up buying instead, but I guarantee you I bought something else. But I really like this truck. It's an extended cab, which is nice, if you're trying to make a race truck, because you can put your cage in, no problem. You got lots of room. But this is it.
That chick was afraid of being on video.
Yeah, she pulled up and she was gonna get gas, and then we pulled out the camera and she left. We do that to people. We're weirdos, apparently. But yeah, this is Beau's 1990 hardbody. It's a single cam. No V6 in this. I didn't say it. Short bed truck. It's got a tailgate. It's a nice truck. I'm genuinely jealous.
Extended cab.
Yeah, I already talked about that. Get out of here. The interior's not the best. You see that right there?
But it is 30 years old.
Yeah, it's older than me.
Almost completely factory.
So that's that. If I'm falling apart, it should be falling apart. But it's about time Beau's got one. That's the moral of the story. So like you said, we're gonna try and drift it this coming weekend. I'm gonna go and show him moral support. Maybe I'll put my butt in gear and get the 240 going. All it needs is the gas tank put back in it. But we gotta weld the diff. We're gonna put my old sway bar on here. We got to cut out the bump stops and the steering stops. Maybe the bump stops. I don't know if it hits on them or not. Yeah, it definitely does. So we'll cut out the bump stops. We'll probably put my Pinto shocks on this. And it'll be good to go. And
You got shocks to put on this?
yeah. Yeah, you can use the Pinto shocks that came off my truck. So we'll do all that, and that'll be basically like how to take your stock hard body and turn it into a drift hard body. Super easy. We're not gonna mess with the timing on his truck. The motor has some miles on it, but she runs good, no smoke, all that good stuff. So should still make decent power, and we should have some fun. People making fun of us for shooting video. We should tell them to subscribe. But yeah, we're excited. We're excited. We're gonna get some good stuff done with this. And the plan is to show you guys like basic drift hard body, and then we're gonna go crazy with it. One UZ swap, potentially the rear 4-link, same as I got, or maybe a Watts link, so we don't have to relocate the gas tank. But yeah, just this is it. Hard body
power.
Hard body project number 2.
Right on.
Because we weren't already in deep enough.
Now we have like 10 projects in between us or something like that. It's pretty ridiculous.
A pretty stupid amount of projects.
Yeah, we can handle it. We can handle it. Hey, that's more content for you guys.
Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. So anyways, I think that's about it. We're going to Harbor Freight right now so that we can finish up on the other hard body. Now we have 2 hard bodies, so I can't just call mine the hard body. Yeah, we're gonna have to think of names for them.
Yeah, dude. Like Brian and Jeff.
Anyways, I think that's it.
Here I am, creeping over Ronnie's
Are we
shoulder.
excited about this?
Dude, we're super excited. We're super excited. Every time you get a new project, everybody knows. Super excited to start modifying it, dude. I already told Ronnie I'm gonna buy a steering wheel, shift knob, seats, friggin' harnesses, all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna go crazy.
He's got like $10,000 worth of stuff already in his brain.
And I've got $200 in my pocket. Anyway, that's it for this. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all enjoy all our videos. Like and
Subscribe. Say bye, Beau. All right. Bye, guys. Okay. Any other plans? Obviously, you said like pretty low. Are we doing this to get low, or are we?
Possibly. I mean, we've already done it once, so it probably wouldn't be a thing to do it again.
Okay.
Especially right in the middle of a motor swap. So.
Yeah. That was kind of the point of this, was try and knock it all out at once, and you know.
Yeah. So I might be doing this exact thing before.
Okay, hold on.
We just ruined it. We just ruined it. That was your fault.